Today I'm going to show you a great property in the area of Lago Trasimeno. It's just on the other side of the hill, so you won't be able to see the lake itself, but there are wonderful views over there. I'll show you later. This property is an old farmhouse built in 1850, more or less, and it has been extended. Another part has been added to it over there, plus a nice veranda over there as well. And there is a swimming pool and a plot of land to the back, which is about 1 hectare total. Okay, this property is actually used as a bed and breakfast, but you are not obliged, of course, to keep the bed and breakfast if you want. There are 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, but you can also keep it for your own personal use. Okay, as you can see over here, the hills of the Nicone Valley are beautiful here. Okay, so there is a nice barbecue with a pizza oven and terraces, one over here, one over there, one over there. And there is a beautiful garden. There is a well of about 80 meters deep with plenty of water, even in hot summers. Last summer they still had enough water for the garden and the guests. There is a photovoltaic solar panel carport here, which makes you save a lot of money for electricity. It produces electricity. And there are also solar panels on the roof for hot water. Okay, here we enter what used to be the old stable of the farmhouse, with thick beams. As you can see, a beautiful arch, a very cozy sitting room it has become. And from here we enter the annex, the veranda, greenery, or whatever, conservatory you can call it. It has a nice little wood stove over there, and so you can sit here even in winter. It has double glazed windows, so even in winter when it's snowing, sometimes, very rarely, over there, you can still sit there. There is normal gas heating, but also wood heating with a stove and an open fireplace over here. Okay, so then the staircase was made internally to upstairs to the bedrooms, but I'll show you those later. We'll first continue on the ground floor. Here, this room is used as a bedroom now, but it could also be a study, and it has an access to the terrace outside. Okay, then there is a bathroom here, small bathroom with a shower, and here is the heating with the big boiler. There is a small heater there, laundry machine. The whole installation system is there for the heating. Okay, this is actually now it is the bed and breakfast, the breakfast room, but you could turn it into your own dining room if you don't want a bed and breakfast. As you can see, the house has been built on the rocks, which is very good. It's a very stable house, no problems with earthquakes here. This is the exit to the garden again, and here we enter the extension that was built a few years ago, which is now a beautiful kitchen in the old style, so with wooden beams and cotto tiles, and there is this nice wood stove here, the oven, plus a beautiful professional kitchen here, an oven, a furnace to cook on. And to the back they created a storage room, which can also be used sometimes by themselves when they have plenty of guests. And here a bathroom for themselves for private use. There are two doors, one over there and one over here to the outside, okay? So this would be for private use. It's not a real bedroom, really. Okay, and here from the kitchen, we enter the terrace, so you can sit outside here and enjoy your breakfast. If the weather is good, you don't need to go inside into the breakfast room to have your breakfast. So you can enjoy the nice weather, the beautiful views, the area here. It's a lovely area. We're not far away from the Lago Trasimeno, from Passignano, and not far from the famous resort of Reschio either, which is in the comune of municipality of Lisciano Nicone. Okay, this part again was the extension. It was added on to the main house. They turned it into 2 bedrooms with a bathroom over there and another bedroom here. So 2 bedrooms on this side, okay, with a bathroom, a shower room here. So this part of the house is brand new, okay. Actually, as you can see, this used to be the outer wall of the house with the door over here. Very nice. They really did a good job in using the same materials and the old style. Okay, here we enter a beautiful, what now is a beautiful bedroom, a large bedroom, but this used to be the original kitchen where the farmer's family used to sit and eat around the open fireplace where they used to cook and heat this room, okay? That was the only way of heating them. Here we go down a few steps, 2 steps, to the bathroom that belongs to this big bedroom here. And there is a door here, you can close it. So this could become a private unit with its own entrance, okay? Then there is the stairs, internal stairs to the old stables down there that you can use from this side, okay? There is another bedroom here with the old roof and all the windows. I have double glazing. Here is its shower room, okay? Here another door. So you can use this room as a jolly. You can combine it with that one and the other 2, or separately, or you can combine it with this one with the room over here. That is also a large bedroom, really nice, with beautiful views, 2 windows, and it has a large ensuite bathroom with a bath and a shower. Okay, so yeah, well, that's about it. You can see beautiful views. It's sitting on just off a tarmac road, but very quiet, but no white roads and dust and everything, so it's easy to reach. Within 10 minutes you're at the lake. You are in Castel Rigono, which is a nice village, and it's a nice, beautiful place to stay, either on your own with your family and friends, or if you want to rent it out to tourists. Okay, if you want more information on this place, go to our website www.lecasadidorri.com. Okay, bye-bye.